Hello, I'm Mahendra Shetty, founder, Yes Mahindra Academy. In this session, we are going to study similarity from Mathematics Part 2, Class 10. First, we will see ratio of areas of two triangles. Here we have a triangle ABC. So its area will be area of triangle ABC will be 1/2 base. Here the base is BC and into height. The height is AD. So for second triangle PQR, the area will be area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base. Here the base is QR and the height is PS. So for the ratio of triangle ABC to triangle area of triangle PQR will be 1/2 into BC into AD divided by 1/2 into QR into PS. Here the quantity 1/2 will get cancelled and the final output will be PC into AD upon QR into PS. The quantity BC into AD is a product of base into height, and the quantity QR into PS is the product of base into height of second triangle. Therefore, we can say that the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So here we have two other triangles. We have to find the ratio of areas of two triangles. So area of triangle ABC will be base into height AD upon the base of second triangle, that is QR, into height PS. Here in this example, the height AD is equal to H, and in second triangle the height PS is also equal to H. So this quantity will get cancelled out and the final output will be BC upon QR. So in this case, we can conclude that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. In next example, we have two triangles. First triangle is ABC and second triangle is ABP. So we will find out the ratio of these two triangles. For triangle ABC, the area will be 1/2 base, that is AB, into height CD, and the area of triangle APB will be base into height PQ into 1/2, and the quantity 1/2 will get cancelled out and the product will be AB into CD upon AB into PQ. The quantity AB is same in both cases, so these quantities will cancel out and the final output will be CD upon PQ. So in this case, we can conclude that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So here we have an example. In this figure, the segment PS is perpendicular segment RQ and QT perpendicular to PR. Here RQ is given as 6 units, PS is given as 6 units, and PR is given as 12 units. So we will consider a triangle RQP. So the area of triangle PQR, triangle PQR will be 1/2 into base. The base of PQR is RQ and the height will be PS. So the triangle PQR having area 1/2 into PQ into PS. Now if we will flip this figure like this, then we will get the same triangle PQR. In this case, the height will be QT. Height is equal to QT. Now we know this quantity is 12 units, this quantity is 6 units, this quantity is also 6 units. So in this case, the area of triangle PQR will be 1/2 base. So in this case, the base is PR and height is QT. So if you consider a ratio of triangle, the ratio of area of triangle PQR, and again the same ratio from second equation, it will be 1/2 RQ into PS, and here 1/2 PR into QT. So in this case, 1/2 will get cancelled, and as this is the ratio of same quantity, therefore it will be 1. So we will get, after cross multiplication, PR into QT is equal to RQ upon PS. So QT will be RQ, the value of RQ is given 6 units. The value of PS is given as 6 units divided by PR, and the value of PR is 12 units. So the height QT will be 3 units. In another example, we have AP perpendicular to BC. This AP is perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. This AD and BC both are parallel. Then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCD. So first we will calculate the quantity area of triangle ABC, and it will be 1/2 base. So ABC, triangle A, B and C, from observation we can conclude that this is the height of that triangle. So base, that is BC into AP, and for triangle BCD, the area will be BCD will be 1/2 into base. In triangle B, C and D, the base is again BC and height will be again AP. So the ratio of area of both these triangle will be BC, BC, AP, AP, and the answer will be 1. So here the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle BCD will be 1. Thank you. We'll meet soon with another video on new topic. Thank you.